trying hard, but nigga don't start. You be doing shit that don't need to do no hard. I go get that paper, I'm never fucking quiet. I be feeling I'm not thinking about it, yo, yeah. Hold on, baby, please, don't get on your knees. You do it for me, you do it for the G. Yeah, I got extra weed, yeah, running low like sleep, yeah. If a nigga try to creep, I got extra heat. Got a bank account.
How's it, man? You doing all right?
Pretty good.
Good to see you, man.
Good to see you. Like that.
I should do it in the mirror. I chop one, chop two, chop that ass down.
What's happening, man?
Nothing.
Ah! All right. Woo! Turn this
You got a YouTube channel?
I do.
Awesome.
So tell us what you got in here, man.
4 Resilient Sounds Platinum 18s on a Crescendo 12K.
Crescendo 12K?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Oh yeah, making panties drip and pedals rip. Yeah, this is DJ Rustic.
Man, that thing's windy.
It gets down.
Man, it hits hard, man, on the lows.
It gets down.
What frequency was that?
That was 34 hertz.
34? What's the box tuned to?
So I peak at 40.
Okay. Okay, so you got it tuned pretty low then.
Yeah. I built it to run Cyclone class for DB drag.
Okay.
It demo's pretty good. Let me
Oh,
find you
nice.
something else. Something a little
Fourth
bit.
order?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Get you something a little bit lower.
I'm ready, man.
Low, low, low.
Fill up at the bar, go get him a sub. Buy me a couple weekends that get him
Wow, man. Man,
I need
this
some
is my first demo today, man, and I'm happy right now.
Oh yeah, I appreciate it, brother.
Hey, man, appreciate
Yes,
it, man.
sir.
What's your name?
Colby.
All right, man. Papa T _ install.
Awesome. Thank you,
All
brother.
right, thanks, man. Man, that will beat, dude. That will beat. Like, for real, that get down.